Hello Lisa, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet, shooting a video for you on the 2012 Honda Accord EX L Sedan. This has the 3.5 liter V6. It's got custom pinstriping, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Michelin tires up here in the front that are in excellent condition. It has a power sunroof, power mirrors, windows, locks, 2-position driver memory. This is premium leather seating. It's heated and powered. Traction control. Bluetooth for your phone. Steering wheel controls for the premium sound system. Cruise control. The sound system is a 6-disc changer with AM, FM, and XM. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Front and side airbags. This vehicle has it has 19,423 is the mileage. Has side curtain airbags in the rear. Very spacious trunk, lots of room for cargo here, and then that center armrest in the middle of the back seat folds down to accommodate longer items from the trunk. Dual exhaust. Four-wheel ABS. Well, there you have it, Lisa. For more information, you can visit us on the web at www.taylorandSonchevy.com or give us a call at 800-866-2138.